Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download the Google Chrome on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to download the Google Chrome on your computer, if you have installed your Windows recently, then this Microsoft Edge will be available on your computer by default. Search for it, and after opening it, click on the search bar and type in Google Chrome like this and you enter, and after that you can see the Google Chrome. Download the fast secure browser are the first result here. Click over there, and over here you can see the download Chrome option available over here. Click on download Chrome, then the download will begin, and after it downloads, go to your download folder like clicking on Ctrl J, and you can see the Chrome setup over here. Open it to go through the installation process of Chrome. And then this is how you download the Chrome on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.